Welcome back. It's Sparsumling Lobster. Everyone's having a hard time pronouncing. It's Sparsumling, and it's Danish for thrifty. So the channel is designed in a way to show what you can and can't do, or what you got to do, or whatever the case may be, to save a few bucks. And if you know how to do it, try it. If you're not capable of doing it, get someone else to do it, obviously. But in this little video, I want to show you that the brake job that I'm doing on the SUV 2006 Ford Expedition, we have purchased basically a couple things here that is adding up quickly. So we have some rotors that we bought, we have some brake fluid, and we have a caliper that we purchased, and then I got some pads from AutoZone. So those were 43 bucks. And then if you add 43 to this 183, and then the 17, and then the 132, minus the $40 that you get for the core, that's right there. It's quite of an expensive little journey. And so far, I've only got the driver's side. And I'm going to show you real quick. I didn't take it apart. Yeah, it's dark in here in the den. We got Amazon orders to fill. We got some eBay orders to fill. Going back to the breakdown of the Cadillac this morning, I went to go get gas. This Duracell TO8, or T08, I picked this up at a Goodwill for $14.99. It's pretty clean. It works awesome. Has a little flashlight on it. And you charge it up right here with this little cigarette lighter. And then the adapter's inside there. This thing saved me this morning. The car was acting up. The lights were flickering, and I got a little bit of a red flag when that happened. So I pulled into a McDonald's, and sure enough, the car died when I shut it off because I was going to get coffee. But right now we got it home safe, and it's now, I got it on the battery charger. So that's one problem out of the way. The main issue, we got a new caliper here. And we got new rotors and new brakes. I will probably follow up on the other side, which I've already taken off this morning. And noticed there was some issues with it. And we're gonna order a new caliper and make it the same as the other side. I have the new rotor already for it, and I have the new pads. Now with this one, there's a spring inside of this little piece here on the back side, on the inside there, that's missing. It's causing the pistons from the inside to compress. This one is stationary, and it's really starting to dig in. It's not as bad as the other one, but it needs to be taken off, and then I'll go in and have it resurfaced. But I'm going to take off the bracket and the mechanism here where the brake fluid goes into the pistons and pull this all out. And this morning when I pulled this off, I noticed that the spring was missing in there, so that's what's causing the compression to be so tight. It was real pain in the back to try to get that off, and I could have beat it off, but I know from what I went through the other day, having to order the caliper, it takes time, and we got it after 4 o'clock, and I had to be to work, and it caused problems here at the house, and we were out of this car, and then the Cadillac's not registered yet, and we're just trying to make it work. So that is the morning of a reseller right there, trying to get things on the frugal. But anyway, this brake job probably would have cost me a fortune, all these problems I'm having. And we're in the process of trying to get things decorated for the holiday. We got the tree finally. The kids went through and decorated it, the little ones. Those aren't the ornaments I don't think the wife is going to use. But we are definitely trying to get things under control. I have been ever so diligently trying to organize in here, and every time I try to do something comes up, and I have to refocus my energy. And this is a day off, and it's not working as planned. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Sorry for the video. Just wanted to give you a quick update in the life of a lobster and how he rolls. And I'm telling you, I'm surprised I haven't gone crazy yet. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. And happy holidays. And I'll see you around.